Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. This was actually a highly requested video. It was a question that I posted on my Facebook page on who would like for me to do a tutorial for them on how to do DIY goodie bags, gift bags, party favorite bags for any event that they're hosting. So I got so many great feedbacks on people wanting to see this tutorial. So here I am bringing you this DIY tutorial. I am so happy to have you guys back. As you can see, I am in a whole new different setting, and the reason is because about a week or two ago I made a post in my Elegant Creation group asking about who would like to learn how for me to do a tutorial on doing gift bags for any event that you are having. So this is my Elegant Creation group. I know I do that mentioning a lot in my videos, so I thought I'd take you guys into this group. If you would like to learn how to do DIYs, if you do decor, if you're a baker and you love to create cakes, treats, whatever that it is, networking, this is the group for you. So please, you guys, don't hesitate to join this group. It is super amazing, super awesome, and you will be able to network with so many different like-minded people like you. So as you can see, I said, who would like for me to make a video tutorial showing you how to make these bags? I remember creating this bag for my daughter's birthday and everybody was complimenting them. It was super beautiful. It was super cute. Let me ask the members who are in my group if they would like to learn how to create this, as well as learning how you can also sell these gift bags on if you want to create an Etsy store as well. So here's the post that I made, and you can see I got over 100 people who wanted me to show them how to create these little gift bags. Everybody was saying me, yes please, thank you for sharing, yes. So I was like, okay, so I will do this video. And here we go today, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. So please stay tuned, watch the full video on how I go ahead and put these little gift bags, party favorite bags together. I am going to first go to Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest, I love Pinterest. There's so much ideas you can get from Pinterest. Now, if you see here, I have the Princess Jasmine pulled up. So you want to type in, Princess Jasmine free printables, because you want to be able to get a free printable from Pinterest. There are so many. So it's up to you to choose whatever kind of printable that you would like. So I have a few already that I had already saved. I'm going to take you guys here. Now, if you see here, you're going to see that I have the Little Mermaid printable. You can go ahead and print that if you're having a Little Mermaid theme. I have the Shimmer and Shine little cartoon characters. I have Moana cartoon characters. I forgot this little cartoon character. I forgot the name of it, but I know it was a popular little cartoon show. So I'm sure once I think of the name, I will put it in the description box below. But yeah, you see, as you can see, I have all those little printable cartoon characters. So you want to be able to save all of them for whatever theme that you're trying to go for. So once you picked out the character or the theme that you're going for, you click onto it. First, I'm going to show you guys how to do the Princess Jasmine. I already kind of had it pulled up. This is the main one that I can honestly tell you guys that I am selling on my Etsy store, this character right here, but you can get any characters that you choose that you like. Okay, so you see I have it pulled up. Now all you have to do, of course, is to print it. Now once you're done printing it, you could print it at the size that you see that it's in. Now once you're done printing it, and then you can go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you the tutorial on how you can go ahead and put it together. Okay. Also, you want to make sure when you are printing, whatever theme or character or whatever printables that you're going to be printing, you want to make sure that it is cardstock paper. Okay, it has to be hard cardstock paper. You do not want to use regular print paper because it would not work. It'll be too soft, and then for the look that you're trying to go for, it would not work. So do not use regular print paper. You have to use cardstock paper so it can look and feel hard than regular print paper. Just about everybody in the group wanted me to show them, so I thought, you know what, I definitely have to show a video on how to create these little bags for any event that you're having, and also if you want to sell them, you can do so as well. The swivel detail knife is a unique blade that rotates a full 360 to help you cut curves and intricate patterns without repositioning the knife, rotating your project, or even lifting the blade off the paper. Ideal for precisely cutting lightweight materials, including paper, cardstocks, and photos.